Hey guys, I'm Terrence. Today I'm in our Shanghai factory and we have a paper cutting machine ready for delivery. Let's see how this machine looks like and how this machine works. So come with me. This is a paper cutting machine. The machine width is 1 meter and its early design width is 1.15 meter. The length equals my arm. This is the air shaft and its main function is to unwind the paper material. This is the safety chuck. Its function is to stabilize the air shaft and make it easy for replace the material. You can see there is a magnetic powder brake and it's connected with the safety chuck and also the air shaft. This safety chuck assembled on the wall is a flange type. And there are two cutting rollers. Their main function is to guide the paper material entering into the cutting knife. And here our cutting knife is round circle cutting knife. You can have a look. Next to the transmission part and the cutting knife, you can see a PLC of the tension controller. Open the side of our machine, there are some air cylinders and electric appliances. To make this machine function, we just need to turn on this switch. If we turn off this switch, this machine stops. And this is a lift-type air shaft. To make this air shaft expand, just put this air inflation gun on this air valve. Here is another side door of our machine. And in this side door, you can see some of our machine structure clearly. So this is our paper cutting machine ready for delivery in 2020. And if you want to know the price, please contact me. Thank you for watching. Please remember me. My name is Terrence, and I'm a machine parts solution provider and machine solution provider. If you have any question, please contact me. This is my website and also my email. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.